What is an iOS SDK?
Yeah, iOS SDK is provided by Apple itself. It's an SDK, software development kit, provided for the developers, app developers, to make iPhone and iPad applications. They provide exhaustive documentations and tutorials, which are mainly describing the Cocoa SDK, Cocoa framework, application framework, and the Objective-C language, so that the developers can use these Cocoa APIs to build up the GUI, the functionalities like communication, internet using, XML parsing, graphics, multimedia, games, etc. All those APIs are exclusively provided using Objective-C, and the app developers can read the documentation and make their app. It also comes with the, it basically integrates into the Xcode IDE, which is a traditional IDE of Apple for developing apps. Of course, an iOS SDK comes up with the iPhone and an iPad emulator, which allows the app developer to test the applications, whatever they are making, on the emulator, which is kind of like a hardware, like the phone, actual phone, but it's basically a software. It's a simulated environment, and it also allows you to simulate network usages, camera usages, etc., so that you can simulate multimedia applications or carrier-based applications that you are developing. So it's a very useful tool, and using that, once your app is completely ready, you can put it on any iOS-based device, which is iPhone or iPad, and test it physically on the device and make some final tweaking features before you actually submit it to Apple Store, App Store, which can be tested and certified, and then put it up publicly for others to download. So yeah, I mean, it's a must-have for any iPhone or iPad developer.